Welcome back here to Drone in Motion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here with another episode with breaking news, guys, regarding the DJI FPV drone. Yes, guys, the drone we've been waiting a lot of time for. We finally got an official release date coming from LB. We're going to be covering everything regarding the DJI FPV drone in today's video. We're going to be sharing with you the release date. We're going to be sharing some pictures that have been leaked and a whole lot more information you don't want to miss on, guys. All of that in today's video. But before we get started, guys, if you guys want to get an opportunity of winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, yes, guys, you heard that right, an opportunity at winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, all you have to do, guys, is subscribe to the channel. It's that easy and simple. And if we're able to get to 1,200 subscribers before October 1st, then we're going to be giving away one Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So you guys, make sure you join the Drone in Motion family. It's free, it helps us all out. So make sure you subscribe for an opportunity of winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, guys. So with that being said, we're going to be diving right into today's video, guys, which are really fresh news that just came out of the oven, guys. Today's news are coming from LB. I know all of you guys know LB, or I know a lot of you guys know him. He's the most reliable source when it comes to DJI leaks. But today we finally got confirmation from him from what could be the release for the DJI FPV drone, guys. So we've been talking a lot in the past, in the last couple months, about the DJI FPV drone, and especially we talked about the release date, guys. So we've been speculating, and that's going to be coming around October, and between October and November, guys. That was our tentative date. So today LB gave us confirmation of what could be the release for the next DJI FPV drone. But before we get started with the release date, I want to show you guys the picture that was leaked, I don't know, a couple weeks ago now, about what could be the next DJI FPV drone right here on screen, guys. So for those of you that didn't watch our last videos, so right here on screen we're going to be sharing that with you. So as you guys can see, that is the drone that could be the next FPV drone. So if you guys want to know what that picture is and where we go more in depth, so make sure you check the video down below, guys. And that's our video where we talked about everything that we can see in that picture, and we go in depth and analyze everything that is there. So that is going to be linked down in the description box down below. So with that being said, we're going to be diving right into today's video topic, which is the release date, guys. Okay, so today LB, about a couple hours ago, he said the following tweet, guys. We're gonna leave it right here on screen for you guys to read. So as you guys can see, that is the first tweet that he gave us today. So it says the following: is there something or nothing in October 20th? Okay, so that was his first tweet, guys. And then he came up with a second tweet later on that said the following, guys. I'm gonna leave it right here on the screen. Rumor says that DJI FPV drone will come online next month, but if the release date is leaked, DJI may change it. So I don't know if you guys watched our last video on the DJI FPV drone, where we talked about the image that was leaked and also the release date. So the guys from Drone Deals are also a pretty reliable source, and they came out with an article saying that the release date for the DJI FPV drone was scheduled to be October 20th. So that matches LB tweet, guys. So apparently we've been having the release date for October 20th since a long time, so we've known this. So these are good news, guys, because it looks like it's finally gonna be happening, guys. It's not rumors anymore. It looks like this is going to be happening, guys. So whenever we get an email, a tweet from LB, we know that it will likely happen. So these are good news, guys, because it looks like we might be getting the FPV drone on October 20th, guys. So that's less than a month away, guys. So I'm pretty excited to see this new drone from DJI. I think this is going to be revolutionary and it's going to change the world, guys. So Additionally, it's interesting that we see that OCLB says that it's gonna be released online, so that's obvious due to the whole world circumstances, and we've seen that with the release date of the Mavic Air 2 alongside with the Matrix 300 release date, alongside also with the release of the Osmo Mobile 4, which was also released online. So I think it's going to be proper for the FPV drone to be released online again. But what it's really interesting is the following, guys. If the release date is leaked, DJI may change it. So I don't know what Occidental means by that. So maybe if there's a picture that comes out with the official release date, I think that DJI might throw it back a little bit, kind of what we saw with the Ronin RS2 that was pushed back a little bit. So I think if some kind of official pictures leaked out regarding the release date, I think it might be pushed back to November 1st. That's my speculation, but I hope that we're going to be seeing it on October 20th, guys. So mark your calendars for October 20th. The DJI FPV drone is coming, guys. So with this drone, I think DJI, the most important thing that we're going to be seeing is a mix between cinematography and the speed of racing drones. I think they're going to be mixing those both factors together to form an amazing drone we have never seen in the past, guys. So that's all of the information that we have for you guys today. They're fresh out of the oven, so we might be seeing an FPV drone real soon. It's right around the corner, guys. So mark your calendars, October 20th, guys. As soon as any more new information comes out, we're going to keep you updated here in the channel. Thank you for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any content.